Hello guys, what's up? How's this going? Today we're talking about a new topic that's about circle. We know the shape of the circle. All of us we know. And again, what means of circle is a curved line that it has the same distance from the center point or from the middle point. Okay. For example, again, I shown is a curved line. This is a curved line. Look. It has the same distance from the center. This is the center point. For example, we have this city. All the edges have the same distance. Okay, and there have the same length from the center. So this is called circle. Now we're talking about what? The main parts of the circle. We have what? Radius, diameter, and chord. Okay, and there what means of radius at first. Okay, radius a line. Look at this one, a line segment with one end point at the center of and the other end point is on the circle's edge. Okay, for example, look the radius. Look at this one. Wait. For example, look. It has two endpoints. Okay, one endpoint is on the center point in there. Okay, and the other is on the edge. For example, this one, this called what? Radius. This is radius. So look, this line is radius. Look, from the center to the edge of the circle. So this called what? Radius, or sometimes called radii. Look, radii. Another story. Look, sometimes I tell this radii are plural. Okay. Now we're talking about another. This is the first part. The second type is the diameter. What it means of diameter? It's a line segment. Look again. It's a line segment that passes through the center. It has two endpoints on the edge. Okay. This is called what? Diameter. Look. We have a line segment, okay? This is a line segment that pass through the center. It passes through the center, look. From one edge to the other edge. From there, look. From the one side of the circle to the other side of the circle. So this is called what? It passes through the center. This is called diameter. A line segment that passes through the center, okay? Every time, diameter equal to what? Equal to twice of the radius, means 2 times r. I put down letter r small, okay? R for radius, okay? Or radius equal to what? For example, I give you radius, I tell you find diameter for me. At that time, what you need to do? Every time radius equal to what? Diameter divided by 2. When I give you radius, look, when I give you radius, I tell you find, you need to multiply by 2 every time, because diameter, look, from this side to this side, but only the radius only we have from center to one side. So means diameter is twice of radius, or radius is diameter divided by 2, because radius half of the diameter. Okay, now for example, in there it gives us radius. Look, the CD radius is 6.25 centimeter. Tell us find the diameter. Okay, at that time, what you need to do? You need to multiply by 2. Why? Because every time diameter is twice of radius. Okay, 2 is stable, don't change. Multiply by what? By the radius. Or the radius in there is 6.25. So 6.25 equal to 12.5. Okay. The third one is chord. Okay, chord. Look, there is a chord. So a line segment that it has two endpoints on the edge of the circle, but it does not pass through that center. So like diameter, but this, why we tell this chord, why this chord? Because this is not pass through the center. Look, for example, like a diameter, we have a line segment. It has two endpoints on the edge of the circle. Look, one endpoint in there and the others on there, but it doesn't pass through the center, so this is called what? Chord. Okay, now we look example 1. Example 1, name the center, the circle diameter, and 3 radii of the circle. So we have this circle, okay, this circle, this one, okay. It tells us that name the center point. Look, the center point is O, point O, okay. So you tell me O is the center. Look, why? Oh, look at the center point. The point O is the center. Look, because there is O. After that, it tells us what the circle. The circle is O. The circle is named O by this O, A, B, O. Okay, the circle is a circle O by the middle center or by the middle point O. Okay. Now the diameter. Look at the diameter. We have what? I told them what means of diameter is a line segment that pass through the center. It has two endpoints on the edge. Look means, look, this is the first endpoint and it pass through the center, and others is the second one. So this is called what? Diameter. You tell me AB, this point, this A, point A with point B, a line segment on it, okay? So AB is a diameter, okay? AB is the diameter. Now it tells us the 3 radii. Means show me the 3, we have 3 radii in this circle. Find it, okay? So the first radii is what? OB, okay, OB, from the center to the one edge. The second one is what? OC, okay, that, and a line segment on it, okay. And the last one is OA, okay. Okay, so these are all radii. OB, OC, OA. These are radii, okay. Now I explain chord. Again, I explain chord. A line segment with 2 endpoints on a circle. Look, this is a line segment with 2 endpoints on the circle. For example, when I show them this photo, I tell them what name of this ones. You tell me chord AB, a line segment on it, okay. That's all. Now we have this activity, how we draw a circle, okay. Now I show them in this video. Look at this video. We have a tool we called compass, okay. How we draw it, okay. We have compass. Look, you at first you need to what? You need to a sharper pencil, okay. After that, we have this tool that's called compass. We put down the pencil through that hole with a compass, and we need to look at the same level, the pencil tab and the middle tab at the same point, okay. And when I tell them draw this circle, the radius is 6 meters, okay. What do you need to do? You need to, I show them now, open this compass, use a ruler, open this until 6, look, use that ruler, now until 6 centimeters, open it, okay. We open it until 6, okay. Now put down the middle tab and at the center, okay, and turn the pencil tab around the middle tab without moving the pencil, okay. We open it, look, we open it, Now we turn it. Okay, this compass, this called what? Compass. Okay, this, and I show them how we draw a circle. Now look at this one, guide particles. Look, this one, guide particle. We have this 4, 3 to 6. Okay, with the circle at the right, name the given parts of the circle. Okay, it was the center, the number 3. So our center is what? O. So O, you tell me point O or O at the center. Okay, chord. What's chord? I told them chord, a line segment that it has 2 ends, but it doesn't pass through this end. So look, I show them chord now in there. Look, we have 2 chords, one of them in there, and the is DC, chord DC, and the others is what? Chord AB. Okay, now the chord AB align segment on it. Okay, chord AB, align segment on it, and chord, you need to tell me chord D C, align segment on it. Okay, so this chord. And radii, what means of radii? Means radius. Look, from the center to the edge. For example, this one, this radii. So we have 4 radii. Only I show them one of them, and they need to find the others, because that's your homework, the first homework. Okay, only I tell them the radii OC, from the center to the edge of the circle. So O C, the radii line segment on it. Okay, and we have 4. They need to find the others. And diameters, we have 2 diameter. Okay, look, one of them diameter BD, it passed through the center, and the other is AC. Okay, so we have what? 2 diameter BD BD, align segment on it, and AC, align segment on it. That's all. Okay, so I hope all of them understand very well. Now this is your homework. This is so easy. Number 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11. Draw a circle M. I show them. Draw a circle at first. Label diameter EF, radius MG, and a chord. I don't give them like video. I don't give them the measure only. I tell them draw a circle. Okay, but use compass, or you can use any models. Okay, you can use model, for example, that circle. Look there, we use this model. Look, we use this model and we draw a circle. Okay, but when I give them diameter or radius at that time, they need to use compass. Okay, now this is your homeworks too. Okay, I hope that all of them understand very well. Have a good day. Bye bye.